Are your hands like super dry and cracked and that you just don't know what to do anymore? Maybe especially in the winter, but also can be overall. I mean, each day the delicate skin of the hands go through so much, like almost everything that we do, from washing the dishes, washing the hands a lot of times, cooking a meal, cleaning the home, whatever, um, is involved using the hand, and this can quickly make the hands feel dry and cracked and rough to touch. Now, what causes this dryness? So we have, like, of the three layers of the skin of the human body, the epidermis, the outside, the outside layer of the skin, protect the dermis and the hypodermis from elements from the environment. This external covering provide waterproof barriers that ward off infections and bacteria, and defends against UV lights, and help to prevent, chemicals and other environmental pollution to go through the deeper layer. But dry and chopped hands are a sign that the epidermis is maybe doesn't function as it should be, and like there are some elements that consistent exposure to them will quickly damage the skin, like a lot of water, like washing the hands 700 times a day, dry air, chemical soaps and chemicals in products can damage the epidermis. And once the skin barriers begin to lose the natural oils and moisture, that's every time the hands come into further contact with soaps and chemicals and other elements, it makes the process even harsh and harder on your hands. Now, what can you do to return to beautiful, smooth, soft hands? So you want to use moisturizing soaps. Avoid washing with like chemical loaded and fragrance loaded soaps that will just strip away the skin. I recommend a natural hydrating soaps. Also, I'm not a big fan of this hand sanitizer that are like 1000% of alcohol. This is super drying. So we are not there are natural versions of that. The second, you want to use a gentle scrub to exfoliate the hands and remove dead skin cells. You can do it, for example, taking coconut oil and brown sugar and kind of melt them together, or coffee ground and grapeseed oil, olive oil, any like something like buttery, oily, and then something more like the coffee, like maybe green oats, and then gently massage your hands and wash the scrub, and it really helps. You want to keep a moisturizer handy so you can reach out to it, maybe in your car, in your bag, in your night desk, wherever. And I find out that the more it's reachable to me, that I can really grab and I don't have to walk or whatever, it's always handy. I will use it much more. And even better, hand lotion with SPF in it, because these sunspots, mostly for many people, you can see them first of all on the hands. So although we wash the hands a lot, you need to reapply, but SPF really important. Something like an overnight treatment. You can apply moisturizer, or even like I like to do like a body butter, something like that, and I will massage it on my hands, allowing like the moisture to absorb deeply, and I will try to put gloves and stay with them as much as I can, and then just take them out and feel the moisture on your skin. The next tip is keep hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day is vital for your overall health, maybe your wealth as well, and your skin. And yeah, it will. It always helps. I mean, there's nothing bad in drinking water, and it's always a good tip. Moisturize from the inside out. You can use also food as moisturizer, like omega-3 fatty acids that you can find in some fish, flax seeds, yeah, or even supplements. Vitamin E that you can find in nuts, in avocado, in spinach, in seeds. Vitamin A, which is like a retinol basically, that you can find in carrots, sweet potato, kale, broccoli, and apricots. And zinc is also important. You can find in pumpkin seeds, chickpeas, mushroom. Another thing, this is like a bit extra, but soak your hands in some oats. Oats are rich in protein, vitamin E, lipids, fatty acids, and antioxidants. Oatmeal is an excellent natural treatment for dry skin. So you can like put some in warm water and soak your hands. Yeah, have beautiful, soft hands.